Hi Kutis, today's story time. The story name is The Lion and the Four Cows. Once upon a time, there lived four cows in a forest. All the four cows were very close friends. Daily evening they'll go for grazing in a particular spot. The lion saw all the four cows. He wanted to eat the cows. He went slowly near the cow. The cow started attacking the lion. The lion ran away. After a few days goes by, the four cows started quarreling each other, fighting. Okay, they started coming one by one. The lion was so happy seeing all the cow coming one by one. They got separated. One by one, the lion started eating all the cows. Okay, the moral of the story is unity is strength. சேர்ந்து இருக்கும்போது அந்த லைனால அந்த கவு சாப்பிட முடியல. அதே இது பிரிஞ்சு தனித்தனியா வரும்போது அந்த லைன் ஈஸியா போச்சு அந்த கவு அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு. Okay children, bye, have a nice day, take care.